Get glowing skin with this daily smoothie, my incredible transformation. You see this skin? Many believe achieving this glow requires expensive treatments or complicated routines. The idea that a simple could change your skin? Honestly, I was a profound skeptic, convinced it was a gimmick, until I experienced a complete, undeniable shift. For years, my skin just felt lackluster, dull. It missed that vibrant pop. It wasn't severe acne, but a persistent lack of radiance and uneven tone chipped away at my confidence. I'd see people with seemingly effortless, glowing skin and wonder. I tried countless products, hydrating masks, vitamin C serums. Some offered a tiny temporary lift, but nothing delivered deep, lasting results. So, when I heard about a glowing skin smoothie, I rolled my eyes. A smoothie for my? How could blended fruits and veggies achieve what sophisticated creams hadn't, especially since I already ate them with meals? My skepticism was concrete. Even with my doubts, a nagging voice, maybe desperation, and a colleague who swore by her daily green drink whispered, "But what if?" I was tired of feeling self-conscious. Then I found a specific blend, celebrated for skin benefits. The before and after pictures were surprisingly persuasive, so I thought, worst case, more nutrients, best case, this could be. I decided to go all in this exact recipe, every day for a solid month. If nothing happened, I'd call shenanigans on the whole idea. And this is the smoothie that turned me, the ultimate skeptic, into a total believer. Think of these ingredients as a dream team, each playing a vital role for your skin. First, a big handful of spinach. It's packed with vitamin A for skin repair and vitamin C for building that vital collagen. Next, about half a cup of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These are like tiny bodyguards, fighting off free radicals that accelerate aging and dullness. Then, about a quarter of an avocado. This gives it that dreamy, creamy texture and delivers healthy fats to plump your skin cells from within. For a tropical zing and more vitamin C, a few chunks of pineapple. It's a little burst of sunshine that also supports collagen. A small piece of fresh ginger goes in too. Its renowned anti-inflammatory powers can help calm your skin from within. For the liquid base, I use about a cup of coconut water for extra hydration and overall skin love. If I'm out, plain filtered water works just fine. And sometimes, for an extra boost of protein and to help with skin springiness, I add a scoop of unflavored collagen powder. I whiz all these together in my blender until it's super smooth. And the taste? It's genuinely delicious. The avocado makes it creamy, the berries and pineapple bring sweetness, and the ginger adds a lovely little zing. It's so refreshing, and honestly, it's now a part of my morning I really look forward to. So I drank this smoothie every single morning. The first week, honestly, no fireworks. Maybe I felt a bit more hydrated, but my skin looked the same. My inner skeptic was smirking. But then, around the 2-week mark, little shifts began. My skin seemed less tired, a subtle brightness when I woke up. By week 3 or 4, the difference was undeniable. My complexion was clearer, my skin felt smoother, and there was a noticeable glow. Now, all these weeks later, the change is like night and day. That radiance, it's real. My skin looks and feels healthier, plumper, and so much more even-toned. That stubborn dullness is gone, replaced by a genuine brightness that shines through even with zero makeup. But the most incredible part? The confidence boost. Feeling good about my skin has sent positive waves through my whole life. I'm more comfortable bare-faced, more self-assured, and genuinely happier. From total skeptic to true believer, all thanks to this one daily habit. Looking back, consistency was everything. Drinking this smoothie daily meant my body got a continuous supply of these skin-loving nutrients, like regularly watering a plant, helping it thrive and blossom. The ingredients are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydrating elements that feed your skin from the inside out. And consider the synergy, it's an all-star team. The berries defend against damage, spinach rebuilds, avocado moisturizes, pineapple boosts building efforts, and ginger calms. Together, they're an unstoppable force for skin regeneration. It still amazes me that such a simple daily habit could kickstart such a big visible change and make me feel so much better. My journey from skeptic to believer has been incredible, and I'm so happy I could share what worked for me. Hopefully, it can help you find your glow too. Thanks so much for watching. So if you're skeptical but still searching for that real, lasting glow, I really encourage you to give this smoothie a try. Commit to it every day for a few weeks and see what happens. You might be as blown away as I was. If you do whip up this recipe, I'd love to hear how it goes in the comments below. If this was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.